ultrasonic sewing machine installation video. The machine you received is as shown in the pictures. Prepare operating tools and the power cord. Connect the power cord to the machine cabinet. Plug the high-frequency cable and control cable into their respective matching ports. The control cable is equipped with an alignment notch, which must be lined up before insertion. Tighten the threaded connector while gently shaking the cable until it is firmly fixed with no wobble. Connect to 220 volts power supply and flip the red power switch on the cabinet. If the indicator light turns on and then goes off, the machine is in normal working condition. Test the ultrasonic waves by pressing the red button. You will hear ultrasonic vibrations. Place the foot pedal in position, and you may start operating the machine. The mold of the brand new machine is suspended upon delivery. First, adjust the top screw knob to lower the mold to a suitable height. Carry out atrial pressing test using leftover fabric for commissioning. Step on the foot pedal and feed in the material. If the fabric is not pressed tightly enough, lower the mold further. The machine is ready for production when clear patterns appear on both sides of the fabric without piercing through the material. Take out the M5 and M6 spanners from the tool kit. Raise the mold all the way up to facilitate subsequent adjustment and mold replacement. Remove all screws on the mold bracket too. Prepare for mold replacement. Take the bushing off the old mold and fit it onto the new mold in the original way. After replacing the mold, install the bushing cover for the outer roller and lightly tighten the screws on the bushing cover. Put the replaced mold back to its original position. Important reminder: the bayonet of the installed mold must align with the bayonet on the internal gear of the bracket, forming a couplet transmission mechanism as demonstrated in the video. Turn the black rotary handle on the right side of the machine to test whether the gear can drive the mold smoothly. Once normal transmission is confirmed, refit all mounting screws. Adjust the knob to lower the mold, and make sure the screws on the bushing are fully tightened. Next, let's introduce common embossing defects and corresponding mold adjustment methods. 1. No clear embossed patterns. Lower the mold slightly to increase pressing pressure. 2. Patterns are embossed successfully, but the cutting edge on the side of the mold fails to cut the fabric cleanly, and the fabric cannot be torn apart. Need to adjust the eccentric components. When adjusting the eccentric part, loosen the No.1 screw on the right first. Then use A-spanner to shift the inner knower to screw left and right for calibration. Tighten all screws once adjustment is finished. If you are using the machine for the first time, test it several times to find the optimal working angle. 3. The fabric cannot feed out smoothly after processing. Need to adjust the auxiliary wheel controlled by the red handle. The above is the tutorial for operation. The single-motor ultrasonic lacing machine. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions during operation.